Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create sticky notes in PowerPoint. This is a great way to add visual reminders, highlights, or important callouts to your presentations. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and navigate to the slide where you want to add your sticky note. This could be any slide in your presentation where you need to emphasize information or add a visual annotation. Once you're on the correct slide, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see the Insert tab in the ribbon menu. Click on Insert, and then from the options that appear, select Shapes. A drop-down menu will display various shape options. Here you'll want to choose either rectangle or rounded rectangle based on your personal preference. The rounded rectangle often gives a softer, more note-like appearance, while the standard rectangle works well for a cleaner, more professional look. After you've inserted your shape onto the slide, it's time to customize its appearance to make it look like an actual sticky note. At the top of your screen, navigate to the Shape Format tab. Below this tab, you'll see an option called Shape Fill. Click on it and a color palette will appear. Select the color you want for your sticky note. Yellow is classic for sticky notes, but feel free to choose any color that fits your presentation theme. Next, you can further customize your sticky note by adjusting the shape outline. Click on Shape Outline, which is located right below Shape Fill. From here, you can change the border color or even remove it entirely for a cleaner appearance. Additionally, if you want to add some depth to your sticky note, click on Shape Effects, which is located below Shape Outline. Here you can apply effects like shadow or reflection. This step is completely optional, but it can make your sticky note stand out more on the slide. Now it's time to add your text. Right-click inside the shape you just created, and from the menu that appears, select Edit Text. Your cursor will now be active inside the shape, allowing you to start typing your text. Type whatever message or reminder you want to display on your sticky note. Once you've entered your text, highlight it so you can format it properly. In the upper left corner of the screen, click on the Home tab. From here, you can change the font style by clicking the Font drop-down menu. Choose a style that's easy to read and matches your presentation aesthetic. Right beside the font menu, you'll see the font size option. Click on it to adjust the size of your text, making sure it's legible and fits well within your sticky note shape. For better text positioning, click on Align Text in the Home tab. You can choose whether you want your text aligned to the top, middle, or bottom of the shape. You can also set the horizontal alignment by selecting Left, Center, Right, or Justify, depending on how you want your text to appear within the note. Optionally, if you need multiple sticky notes with similar formatting, you can easily copy your sticky note. Right-click on the shape, then select Copy. After that, paste it onto your slide and drag it to your preferred location. This saves time and ensures consistency across your presentation. And there you have it. You've successfully created a customizable sticky note in PowerPoint that you can use to highlight key points or add visual interest to your slides. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.